ground. Shovel in hand with a heart full of hope, I'm chasing that dream in the mother lode. From sun up to sundown, I'm working that ground, sniping and digging where the gold's been found. With my coal swinging and my pan full of pride, I'm searching for treasure the hills try to hide. California gold deep in my soul, living this life in the motherlode.
Triple D Prospecting here. I'm on another adventure. Back to my garage. Today I'm going to be cleaning up some amalgamated gold with the Retort. I've been needing to do it for quite some time now, and I figured I'd do it with y'all. The old timers used to use mercury. They would cover a copper plate and put the copper plates inside their sluice, and as the gold was going on, the gold would stick to the mercury on the copper plate. I don't know why mercury likes gold and copper, but it surely does. If you guys can see here, that's what amalgamated gold. I'm not sure if you guys will be able to see it, but I found a lot of it. I'm going to take that, and it should end up, I'm not sure if you guys see that, into just plain mercury with clean gold. Yeah, I'm going to go over how to set it all up, and let's head outside and get it going. All right, let me show you what all I got going here. Obviously, a retort. You need a glass jar filled with water. So you guys see that? And then you can use any kind of cotton. This is cheesecloth wrapped around. What you're going to do is you're going to put it inside this water, and the water will start wicking up this cheesecloth and make it so that no gases can escape. The last time I did it, I didn't have a clear tube on here, and I didn't know if it was done getting the mercury off or not, but it did. So I kind of melted my gold a little bit because I left it on too long, because I just had cheesecloth on the end of this, and the mercury got caught inside the cheesecloth, and I didn't know that all the mercury stopped running out. So definitely put the clear tube on here. I have antifreeze inside this cooling chamber. So what it basically does is you heat it up, it turns into a gas, goes through this tube as a vapor, and then it condenses back down into a liquid and drops into the glass jar. So yeah, let's get this going. I want to make sure this is all nice and wet. Okay, so another thing you want to remember, whenever you're storing your amalgamated gold, you want to make sure you leave it underwater. Always leave your amalgamated gold underwater. Next, we're going to take this guy off. I'm going to pour off the excess water on this stuff here. We don't want a bunch of water, just have to melt off. Let's throw it all in there. There's all the amalgamated gold. It's starting to get kind of dark. You're probably not going to be able to see it down in there. Kind of spread it out a little bit. Tighten that guy back down. Make sure it's good and tight. And we should be good to go. Make sure that's underwater. Alright, let's move this guy out of the way here. So I made this shield. I seen other people doing it just to kind of keep the heat in. I made it out of just some tin I had laying around. this guy will stay. Come on. There we go. We'll let that run for about 20 minutes and see what happens. Alright, so that's been running for about 20 minutes. We're going to turn the heat off. I haven't seen any more mercury rolling out. I sat out here for about 5 minutes and I haven't seen any more roll out. So we'll let that cool all the way down and then we'll check the gold out. Alright, let's see how we did. Hopefully I didn't melt the gold too much. I'm still learning on how long to hold the heat on it. The mercury definitely came out. Let's see, check out the gold. Yeah, it definitely melted. Yeah, there we go. There's all the gold. Let's take it inside and we'll weigh it up and see how much I had. Alright, so we got it all cleaned up. Not sure if you guys will be able to see the mercury down in there. It's all the mercury that came off the amalgamated gold. And here's all the cleaned up gold. I need to clean it and stuff like that, but it definitely melted. I'm still learning on how long to keep the heat on. But let's weigh it up and see how much there is. I'm guessing 13.5 grams. Tear that out. Here we go. Oh, I might be close. Nope, definitely not. Way more than what I thought. 19.41 grams.
No way!
Yeah, big boy.
Is that cold down?
Yes, big boy.
Still more.
That's Triple D Jr. Okay, quiet mouth. Sorry, guys. That was all collected in the High Sierras. This is why you collect the mercury and then get yourself a retort and clean it up, and then you get all this gold. I need to clean it up, figure out how to clean it up, try to make it shiny again, but I'm not too sure that it will. Might just get a smelter and smelt it into a bar. But I appreciate y'all for watching. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. And you all have a good one.